Hello! To those who've been watching the progress on the Mark 1 Golf on my channel, on my Instagram, here's a little update video. What I've been doing so far, a big bit of the process has been skipped out. I've never actually recorded a full process of me sort of painting the car or doing the car. I'm covered in filler dust. So far, I've had all new seals put into the car, welded up all the metal parts that needed new bits welded in. Windows have been taken out, as you can see, and it is in primer. I'm currently just finishing the prep off. I've stone chipped the lower level all the way around the car, and just filling in some little bits of metal work that I'm not happy with. Little bit around the window frame there, bit in here. Just marrying the new seal into the car with a bit of filler work. All of the arches and stuff have been done, welded. But I'm probably gonna run the standard arches. Not 100% sure, but pretty sure I'm gonna put the standard arches on it. I quite like the look. I know a lot of people prefer them without, but I'll give you a little walk around now. So this is a brand new bonnet that has been primed. The wings, the doors, quarter panels, everything is original to the car. Just the bonnet was just too far gone. It just had so much corrosion all over it. So here we are so far. The car is in primer. There's a few little bits and pieces I've got to reprime. Those of you that have done Mark 1 Golfs before, the inside of these sunroof apertures, they just fill up with moisture and water and they just go to complete shit. So I've been dealing with the inside of that, and it takes so much more time than you ever think. I am not a panel beater. I'm a paint sprayer that's sort of just picked up bits of filler work along the way, but I'm kind of just having a go, you know. So yeah, finishing off that today, the filler work and re-priming areas up, and then we'll get on to sort of cleaning the car and masking it and preparing it for paint. And I have got the original paint for this car, which is a really rare colour on a Mark 1 Golf, I'm told. It's L94F, anthracite metallic. So it's a dark grey. I've actually did a spray out, so I've got it here. I can actually show you the colour that it came out the factory in 1983 with. So actually a really nice colour, especially in the 80s. And that's it. I am going to be painting the inside of the car, just the rear boot floor and the back of the inside of the boot. I'm pretty sure you don't see most of it with the interior in, but I just know it's been done. The worst part so far has been the filler work, redoing the arches, and obviously where the seals were put in, marrying them up. They take so much longer than you think they're going to get a good finish. I'm just currently waiting for this to dry. This is in stopper now, so it's already been fiberglassed, and now I've just put a glaze over the top, and I'm going to start to sand that down and finish it in a sort of 400 or 500. But that's it. I'll do another update, and I'll record the whole sort of painting process. But yeah, the Mark 1 Golf. Engine. So the engine that's in it is a Mark 2 16 valve. That's the other side, and it's on Weber's sort of carbs. Well, that's it, guys. I'll do another update video this week. I've taken next week off of work, so I'll be able to sort of do a couple of longer videos and have the camera panned out a bit better. It's, like I said, it's my first time recording anything like this. It's pretty difficult whilst you're working at the same time. So yeah, I will get some better videos and do some step-by-step guides of how I do it and how I go about doing it. There's loads of ways to do it, so as long as the end result is the same, that's all that matters.